So I have a dog. And the reason why I bring up the dog is I recently bought a house, but it's a house in a condominium, like one of those townhouses, and it's got an association. And my only problem with that is that they sent me a letter for excessive barking from the dog. Right? And it's got a date of inspection on it, which means that someone went to my fence and stood there for God knows how many freaking hours to count how many times the dog barks, because I want to know what's the standard for regular noise. So I go, he's kneeling near the fence, like, well, 35, 36, 37 barks. It's been 4 hours, I'm gonna go home. And then he heard this, whoa. And he lost his goddamn mind. Like 38? That's excessive. You're getting a letter. I'm gonna evict you all. 13-pound dog barking 38 times. Something else they have, they give you a handbook as soon as you get the house. They're like, oh, here's your association handbook. A bunch of rules you gotta follow just to live here. And one of the rules is you could only have 2 dogs and 2 cats. My question is, who's enforcing this? And how? Like they show up to your house like every month? Like, sir, we're gonna need to count your litter boxes. And are these pillows or dog beds? Because it seems to me like it smells like cat shit here. There's gotta be more than 2 cats. And how many scoops you got in this house?